Hello! I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. I know some of you all have an excellent flair for guitars, but getting the right one at times might pose some issues due to the price. Do you know you can still groove in that rockstar spirit even with something less than 300 bucks? Yes, you heard me right. You can get the best acoustic guitars on Amazon right now for even less than $300. Today, we're going to have a look at the acoustic guitars. We'll look at the top 10 acoustic guitars under $300, which can be purchased from Amazon. So, take a chill pill. Before we continue, press the subscribe button and bell icon for regular updates. Number 10. IBANEZ EF Series PF15 ECE. At number 10, we've got the IBANEZ Electric Acoustic. This right here is widely known for its excellent tone variety and fantastic makeup. This acoustic guitar is presented in 3 colors: blue sunburst, natural, and gloss black. In addition, this guitar provides an onboard tuner that lets you tune your guitar quickly and smoothly with no stress. If you discover your string quickly gets out of tune when playing, this tiny but significant add-on can be a lifesaver. Just imagine, this happens when you're on a journey or the road without a separate tuner in place. This surely will save the day. Its Sonicare pickup system is very efficient and provides a very unique, warm sound. The top of this beauty is vital. This lets you move around the fretboard more confidently without any fear of the guitar being fragile. The neck is made with caution and thickness that aids for smooth play and also lets you recognize with ease where the frets are located. Lastly, its mahogany back and sides give confidence in the durability and sturdiness of this product and boost the sounds projected by the guitar. Number 9. YAMAHA FGX 730 SC. Coming down to number 9, we're welcomed with a product from Yamaha. This guitar is the best choice for anyone in need of an affordable and simple guitar that contains all the necessities a guitarist would need. You won't be presented with an excessive and complicated design, but a new friend will boost your skill levels to a better level. As a new introduction, the ART one-way pickup system boosts the guitar's sound, giving a more appealing and great sound. The back and sides of this beauty are carved primarily out of rosewood, giving it a more sturdy and durable look. When trying to purchase this guitar, you get to choose between 3 body types: rosewood, mahogany, and NATO. Each of these woods gives a unique sound. That's why it's important to check and compare sounds to get the perfect one that suits you. Lastly, there are 3 sizes that you can select from when buying this guitar. They include Jumbo, Dreadnought, and Concert. Yamaha always has the best products at hand, so always do well to give it a try, and I'm sure you'll get exactly what you need. Number 8. EPIPHONE EJ200 SCE. This right here, guys, is a product that stands out in its design. It can easily get anyone's attention due to its authentic color scheme and makeup. This acoustic guitar comes in 3 colors. We've got the rich vintage sunburst that fades into black at the edges, the pickguard with a dandelion pattern. Finally, the marble body of this guitar ensures you get the best and warmest of sound from this guitar no matter where and what you are playing. The laminate spruce top of this guitar is sturdy and solid and also tends to be more durable. This is suitable for you most, especially if you're on tours and don't have time to deal with fragile guitars. Whether you will be using an amplifier or not, this guitar sounds just as good no matter if it's plugged in or not, giving you the best sounds and feel. Number 7. IBANEZ AEG 10 NII. Now, at number 7, we've got the IBANEZ AEG 10 NII. Again, they're made in 2 colors, the simple all-black finish and rich playful orange. The well-constructed mahogany necks ensure that you can quickly move your finger up and down the fretboard without any fear of the neck breaking off or being stiff. In addition, the wood used to make this guitar makes it stand as one of the best products IBANEZ has to offer. There have been many reviews about this guitar, many praising it for being great for finger pricking. The sound emitted are great and have no difference when using an amp. It produces a great tone, and also as an add-on feature, a built-in tuner helps you keep track of the strings and tunes. And also, when you notice something a little bit odd, you can quickly adjust it. If you like having extra security, it may be of interest to know that this guitar has buttons for a guitar strap. Also, if you prefer moving to the groove and like playing when standing up or when you're on tour, this is the perfect solution to help you feel safe with your guitar. Number 6. IBANEZ AW54CEOPN Artwood. At number 6, we'll still be looking at a product from IBANEZ. Taking a look at other simple, classic guitars other brands have to offer, it's without a doubt that IBANEZ covers them all. In this case, they offer a very solid laminate mahogany top covered in a gorgeous, darkly tinted wood pattern. Its rosewood bridge and fretboards are durable. Its body is like that of a dreadnought, but with a little difference. The pattern of this guitar is best for anyone that's got an issue reaching the higher strings of the guitar while playing a full-body guitar. Also, its laminate mahogany structure will aid you in producing melodies that will catch just about anyone's attention. And the guitar projects its sound very clearly and loudly thanks to its open pore, a feature lacking in many other guitars. The matte finish gives this guitar an appealing appearance of real, polished mahogany bark, making for a fantastic atmosphere no matter where you end up placing your new trustworthy companion. Number 5. YAMAHA APX 500 III. Responsible for over 50 reviews and 5 stars under its strings, YAMAHA is indeed a workpiece providing great products. You are currently looking at one of the best electric acoustic guitars out there in the market with little price and an attractive look. It's presented in 5 different color options: dusk, sun red, blue, classic, and black. Also, there are 3 bundles that you can choose from: the Digital Learner Bundle, Laminate Spruce Top Bundle, and the Accessories Bundle. The Digital Learners Bundle lets you start boosting your guitar skills digitally with Fender's Guitar Gurus. In contrast, the Accessories Bundles presents you with an extra pair of guitar strings, a tuner, and a learner's guide. Aside from getting bundles to pick from, there's a lifetime warranty attached to these products on the top, back, neck, sides, and body of the guitar. Number 4. YAMAHA FGX 800C. Coming back to back, here is another great product from Yamaha. The FGX 800C is the best choice for anyone who needs multiple options. This product is made in an abundance in 12 colors, ranging from orange to red, blue, and others. There are 5 kit options to pick from, and they are distinct. These include a bundle with only the acoustic guitar, a value pack bundle with a stand, learning guide, and a hard case, a bundle with 12-string alternative guitar, a bundle with a left-hand design of the guitar, an accessory bundle with an extra set of strings, a tuner, and a little learning guide. In search of multiple options, Yamaha is the best spot to look. We are currently at our top 3 spots. Let's see who gets the golden crown today. I hope you all are enjoying the ride. Let's hit the road and get down with the list. Number 3. Fender CD60CE. Taking a spot in our top 3 today is no other than Fender CD60CE. This guitar comes in 3 gorgeous colors: the simple sandy color, mahogany, wood pattern combo, and a simple black finish. No matter what your choice is, I'm pretty sure you'll find a design that suits you from the set of colors. And this feature makes Fender stand out from other brands. Not just that, there are also 4 guitar body designs you can select from, namely the Dreadnought Body, Dreadnought Cutaway, Folk, and Folk Cutaway. Any body design you feel comfortable and confident using, you can easily get with Fender. Isn't that too perfect? The guitar is known for the great times it produces. It also contains a tuner that quickly aids you in tuning your guitar quickly while connecting the amp. As we all know, Fender is always on the market with new and improved products, so this acoustic guitar has been improved drastically from its precursors. There are many features embedded in this beauty that can only be gotten in premium and expensive guitars. This makes this guitar stand out among others in the market, presenting a wide range of features at a lower rate. Number 2. Jameson Blue THINLINE. At number 2, we have the Jameson Blue THINLINE. This acoustic guitar from Jameson stands as one of the best products on the market if you are running on a low budget. This guitar is also on the list of Amazon's favorite products, gaining over 500 reviews, most of which are 5 stars. The blue design that covers the body of this guitar is original and fresh and fades into the black edges almost flawlessly. On buying this guitar, you'll get free picks and a free guitar case that is good for keeping the guitar safe in the house or traveling. This guitar has been at the top for years and remains a customer favorite, not just because of the attractive price, but due to its multiple features. Number 1. Yamaha FX 325A. Standing tall at our number 1 spot today is the Yamaha FX 325A. Yamaha is one of the most notable and respected brands in the industry today, and they are known widely for having fantastic choices when it comes to acoustic electric guitars. And this right here is one of these fantastic options. There are two design options presented when buying this guitar. They include the Tobacco Sunburst design and the Natural Simple Classic design. Also, there are two bundles that you can pick up when purchasing this guitar. You can choose the Gig Maker package, which contains a soft case, plectrums, strap, learning CDs, and a guitar tuner, and also the single guitar with no accessories. With this quality product from Yamaha, you won't have any issues with the body. When playing this guitar, you will have a clear, appealing, projected sound. Choosing the best acoustic guitar under $300 can be tough since it's hard to tell which products are made of quality materials and which aren't. With all being said in our list, we hope we assisted you in making the right choice today. Note, it is always recommended to hear the samples of the instruments or even try them out at your local guitar center if you are having trouble deciding. You can always order online from Amazon when you finally make the decision. Till we meet again. Until then, stay safe.